What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today I'm going to talk to y'all about this adventure I'm going on, and I want to let all y'all know about it because if you want to join, you're more than welcome to join us. So I'm hooking up with 2147 crew, man, and we are doing a Saddlesore 1000. Let me tell you something from the Iron Butt Association. If you haven't heard of the Saddlesore 1000, what this is, man, is 1,000 miles in less than 24 hours. If you want to put your mind, body, and your motorcycle to the test, this is something you should definitely look into, man. We're gonna be doing it April 14th, which is a Friday, and then we're gonna be leaving early Friday morning and coming back Friday, right? So if you wanna check it out, you want more information, go to 2147 Crew, go to his channel, man. His link will be down below. It'll be right here as well. And I'll also link the video where he talks about it and gives you all the details. He'll give you the starting point. He'll give you what our plan is and where we're gonna end back up at. So, and about the time that we're gonna end back up. So go check him out. 2147 Crew, man. Saddlesore 1000, April 14th. It's on a Friday. So please, if you can join us, come with, man. We're gonna have tons of fun, and then he's gonna end up doing something that following day as well, that Saturday later on in the day, so we can all kind of get together, hang out, and talk about the whole experience. So if you haven't done one, I think it's gonna be amazing, right? It's gonna put, like I said, you yourself to the test and your motorcycle to the test. So the main thing is you always want to make sure you have a great seat, man. So this seat here, let me tell you something, it's BOYZ. Make sure you go check them out. If you use my discount code KNUCKLESTV10, you'll get 10% off of this, man. It's just an amazing seat. Put quite a bit of miles on it already, and it don't do nothing but get better. But listen, Saddlesore 1000, man, go check out 2147 Crew's video, and you'll get all the information there. So we hope to see you there. So until next time, until next adventure, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.